How to fix TikTok live option not showing. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. For this, you need to make sure that you match the general criteria for going live on TikTok. For this, you need to make sure that your TikTok account is over 18. If you are under 18, then most certainly you will not see the live option on TikTok. You might need to have a minimum number of followers before you can start a live broadcast. Then also, if you have violated any of the community guidelines, you will not see the option of live. So those are some of the minimum requirement to going live on TikTok. However, if you match all of these criteria and yet the option is not available, there might be a bug or a glitch issue. Now to fix it, head back from the app, press and hold onto it, then go to App Info. Tap on the 4-stop button and OK. Head to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. This will remove any of the bug or the glitch issue that might be causing the problem. Then once again, launch your TikTok application and check out the feature. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.